Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like really trendy text effect that's been going around on CapCut for like intros and stuff. First, you're just going to want to screen record this kind of like water background. Okay, then go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word water, or maybe welcome to CapCut School. They have this like text a lot. Select the font that you want to use. Go to media and add in a black stock video. If it's not long enough, just freeze frame it and you can extend that. Make the background bigger. Select both, right click, create compound clip, go to blend mode, select darken. Then go to effects and add in an edge glow on top of the text and background like that, and you can adjust the glow. Then to create the animation, search for ripple distortion and add it on the video like so. I'm just going to turn off the sharpen one, and you can adjust the strength and twist. Then you're just going to type in Doodle Diary, and you're going to also add that on there. Turn off stickers, texture, and filters, and you can adjust the speed, but that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!